Welcome to moesmoontarot. I'll be doing this is for Cancer. Hi Cancer. How y'all doing? Alright, so rest, rejuvenate, happy family, angel of balance here. I think that you're spending more time with family, friends here, people that make you happy. It feels like finding your peace again, over a situation here. This is moral family support too, as well. Getting your heart back grounded here. Yeah, you are. Looking for new possibilities here with this goddess of the moon. A lot of you are following your intuition. Okay, Cancer. Overall, you have the heart chakra, contract, man holding a coin. First card out is the world, cornucopia. Second chakra, which is the sacral chakra, here up under the heart chakra. Crown chakra under contract. Woman holding a heart under the man holding a coin here. Some of you could be signing a new contract when it comes to a job here. Could be a job, could be, for some of you, could even be something legal. Could be a separation here. This is something that you know that you have to do in order to move forward here. I also feel like some of you, work-wise, you might end up finding something that you love to do here. Something that has you very grounded here too as well. Something that you hold dearly, materially. I do feel like a lot of things are ending for you with this world card. You have a new beginning, a new way of being with this cornucopia here. This is giving me peace here. So I feel like a lot of you are making peace of certain situations here. Okay. I see where you're trying to following what you really do want to do for yourself. I had pulled some cards for y'all last night. I was going to do y'all reading. It was just, ooh, that was a lot. But I didn't get to the reading, unfortunately. But let's see. It's similar. So you're clearing out a lot of things here. In the last reading, it had the tower and attachments. So a lot of things that you were attached to, negative or what you seem positive, are being cleared away, is what I'm feeling. Because it was meant to. What's this world card? Number 29 can be a significant 92. Well, what do you know? A tower and a Knight of Cups. Yeah. Something's being cleared away here. Some of you might even get some unexpected news here too with this Knight of Cups here. Something to do with a home here or some type of foundation. You're kind of not sure how you can balance things out here. They want you to, okay, in divine time and things will come in, but in the meantime, prioritize here. Try to figure out what you can do out of a situation here. They don't want you to think bad about it or getting your ego about something here. What's this tower? Some of you are ending a relationship here. It might be some type of dispute here as well with this tower. Seven of Cups. Some type of confusion is being cleared out here. I see where somebody's upset about something. Upset somebody didn't make some type of decision here. They don't want to hear anything. This is like, that's it here. Could have something to do with a marriage. Could have something to do with a home here too as well. I feel like for some of you, you didn't see this coming here. What's this Two of Swords for Cancer? Yeah, it has something to do with family for some of you here. Or a long-term relationship for some of you. Yeah, some type of contract here. Documentation, things of that nature, things that something wasn't signed, I feel, for some of you. Properly. Something wasn't signed properly. Here, that goes back to that contract. May have something to do with an earth sign. Here. For some of you, this is a relationship. What is this cornucopia here? For, I'm going to say Taurus. For Cancer. It's the number 11. So it is like a pathway here. Let's see. 9 of Swords. Some of you worried here. Stressed out here. The cornucopia is like your happy place, your domain, where you are in life, where you're happy at here. Yes, conflict here. Arguments, disputes here. What's this? 9 of Swords. 5 of Cups. Damn. Okay. 5 Cups. Somebody's in regret. They're worried. Stressed out. Trying to figure out what to do with this number 11 here. Might even be in a crossroads about something. I feel like this is a learning lesson for a lot of you here too as well. Here. You might be 25, 29. Yeah. Something, yeah, learning lesson. Page of Pentacles. I feel like some disappointing news is coming in here. Yeah, it is. 5 of Wands, then the Queen of Wands here. Let me see, what's this? And this has something to do with like a money situation here. I feel like you'll be able to balance something out. It's all about how you negotiate things here. I've seen that Devil and that Leo card is like not getting in your ego here when it comes to something here. Negotiate with that 2 of Pentacles. So I feel like this is negotiable for some of you here. Yeah. Yeah, negotiate. Ace of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, 5 of Wands here. Don't argue. You know, it could be a little bit of a debate, but mostly negotiate here. Something in order to balance something out. Don't stress about it. Don't worry about it. Don't get all in your emotions about it. Take time out. Take a breather, especially with this cornucopia here. Breathe back. Go back to your happy space just real quick. Take a deep breath in order for you to negotiate this. Because I feel like it's negotiable here. Like, let's say if it's something to do with money. Tell the person, well, I'll give you this right now, and can I pay the other half, you know, next week or something like that. Negotiate them bills here. I feel like this is a bill for some of you. For others of you, this might have something to do with a child here. Somebody might be arguing with you about a child here too as well. You have the Lovers and the Devil here. Somebody's upset about somebody's decisions here that they make in life here. The way they go about things here. For others of you, someone's upset with a lover here. It's like y'all two are very different here. Some of you might have kept things to yourself here with this Hermit and Three of Pentacles. Might even stash some type of money or was working on something and then tell someone here. Something could be about a Capricorn. Four of Cups. Something's a missed opportunity here. Somebody don't want to hear something here. A Capricorn or a Gemini. Somebody don't want to hear it. They don't. Four of Swords, Three of Pentacles. Yeah, somebody not even thinking about working on something. They're moving forward here. This could, oh man, okay. This could be something to do with a mother here with this Empress or Taurus, Libra. Okay. They don't want to hear it. They're upset with somebody's decisions here. Second chakra, Page of Wands. I think you're going to get like some spark of idea here. I don't know who this going to resonate with, but okay. It's like while you're going through the storm, while you're going up and down about things on day-to-day life, whatever it is, I feel like you're going to get some type of good news with this Page of Wands or idea. This might come through your intuition too, as well. What's this Page of Wands? Because I might be blind to these people. Let's see. The Death card. Might have something to do with a Scorpio here. Child. So let's say if you need help with a kid, I feel like you're going to get good news when it comes to that here. Let's see. The World. But others of you, you're going to feel like something was good, that something came to an end here. This is equivalent to where something ends and is meant to push you forward here, meant to transform your life here. I feel like it's putting you more into your action point here. Yeah, working on things. Let's see, what is this World? But ultimately, something's coming to an end here. Something that maybe you thought was good news. Let's see. King of Swords into Oran here. I feel like somebody could make a decision here. Or this is you realizing that it's two paths you must go on here. Trying to figure out which one works for you. That damn Hermit still is. Let's see. What's this Two of Wands? What's this Two of Wands? Might be something you find online here. Because I see this woman with this phone and then like the World Wide Web. Let's see. Might be an offer here. From the Queen of Cups here. It could be a motherly energy here. Coming in to support you. Or this could be you getting great news all of a sudden. Or this is just you realizing that you're free from something here. Whatever it is, it's going to make you, okay, this might be a job. Okay. Might be getting a new home here. Four of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, the Sun, The Fool, and that's you. So you might get good news about a home here. So let's say if you lose one home, you might get a good offer when it comes to another home. Something that's more affordable for you here. It's giving me like an energy like where you get something, and let's say you don't have the full payment, they'll work with you here. With this Page of Cups, you'll only have to put a little bit down. It's something like that. What is this fourth chakra? Your heart chakra. Here. The Emperor. That goes back to that emotional control. Control your emotions. Don't go off with this Emperor card. Who is this? Emperor. This is clarity here. This is the truth here. Somebody is trying to get away with something. This could be, I got the Hermit and a Taurus here. Hold on. This is Ace of Swords for Cancer. I feel like somebody got a lot of love for you, and they truly do want to help you out, help you get out of a situation here with this Emperor and this Ace of Swords. Here, this could be like a father figure here. Could be someone in spirit here. I feel like they're guiding you here. Yeah, in order for you to get what you need here. So they're like pulling you, and this is in spiritual form, I feel, for a lot of you. Some of you know, but they're pulling you in the right direction here. Could be a Pisces or Aries or a really strong father figure here. It's going to communicate some type of truth here. It's somebody with some type of authority over your life. Could even be a boss. Yeah. Let's see. What is the crown chakra for Cancer? You know you'll be fine financially here, right? Now I got the King and Queen of Pentacles. This might have something to do with a marriage. Because I have contract under there. Let's see what this is. This Queen of Pentacles has on red. So that's like that base chakra here. Taking care of yourself. You know you have to take care of yourself. And walk away from something that doesn't serve you here. Here you go. Staying in your power here. Knowing your worth out of a situation here. What's this 8 of Cups? It's like you know you got to walk away from something because some truth was exposed. I also feel like within this truth, this was something, I don't know, could be anything. This was something you already felt in your heart. You already knew something was going to end. I also feel like a lot of you had already been planning through the process of this here, or you knew that you had to plan. So a lot of you might even miss this Tower moment. Three of Pentacles. Could be walking away from a third party here. Moving on or working to move on here, I feel. Making peace of a situation here when it comes to some legal matter, contract, Marriage, something like that. Yeah. What's the contract? Let's see what this is. I feel like you're getting very back in balance. Your chakras are being balanced too as well. This is like, you're going to have a lot to do. Let's just put it like that. A lot of movement. Seven of Swords. Getting out of something here. Being very calculated here. Making the right choices, the right decisions here. You know what I think, too, for some of you, something about this contract was kind of fishy. It's like somebody's trying to take advantage of you here. I think you realize that. Nine of Pentacles here. It's like I'll do this for myself. I'm doing this for myself. Justice. Nine of Wands. Being very persistent here. Very determined to move forward here. Out of something here. I feel like somebody try to keep you stuck into something here. For some of you, it could be a marriage for some of you. But for some of you, I feel like this is something else. Stuck into something to where you have to take care of something here. It has something to do with something being properly taken care of here. So the other person can avoid doing so. So let's say it is like, I don't know, let's say a car. Let's say if you took up someone's payments or something like that, it was more because they wanted you to put the money in for the car, the repairs, things like that, when the car wasn't presented to you properly. Something like that. What is this woman holding a heart? If this is a marriage, I do see where you're going to be financially okay here with this Nine of Pentacles here. It goes back to where I said something about money. Your money is yours here. Judgment. The universe is by yourself with this woman holding a heart here. They are. See, this brings in growth here. I see where something is just over. Something was a burden here. What's this Judgment for Cancer? It's also being like awakening, knowing here. Ten of Swords. Something's over. I do see where you're going to have to deal with some challenges here. Might be with an Empress here. This Empress keep popping up. Man holding a coin, that's Taurus energy. Could be with a Taurus here. Ooh. So keep that in mind here. That this person isn't. Oh, this person, that energy kind of, ooh. What's this Ten of Swords? Like a very stubborn energy here. Somebody don't want to see something clearly. What's the Ten of Swords? A marriage. They say everything's okay though. Yeah. You can get something new. Well, everything will be okay financially, I feel. Let's see. I do see where someone's spying on someone here. Wondering will they be able to reconcile here. This could be a Sagittarius here. Yeah, this Sagittarius is really hanging on to a whole lot of emotions here. They're hanging on. They spying. Keeping an eye out on you. I don't know how, but they are. What's this for? It's like they're not happy with your judgment, but they're telling themselves everything's gonna be okay. Maybe they don't believe you. I don't know. Movement forward here. Six of Swords, clarity, rite of passage here. For my masculine, you're kind of not sure if this is the right time to move here. You're going back and forth with yourself here. Maybe you should still have love and a whole lot of passion for this person. Taurus, Libra. Taurus, Libra. Still out. But this person is moving forward here. And another connection. Hold on. I might be lying. Okay, this is healing. Okay. So this person is coming in. They do want to heal here. They do want to it's some changes when it comes to a family here. Okay, so let's say this person was being deceptive. Here was giving you up and down energy. I feel like this person is going to change their mind because you are the person that they want here. You stay on this person's mind here. They do want you. They do want this family dynamic with you here. Alright, what's this man holding a coin in the mouth? So if you're a masculine Cancer, I feel like your relationship is fine. It's just some ups and downs right now. Give it another week or two and you'll be fine. Let's see. What is the man holding a coin? Some clear. Two of Cups. Soulmate, relationship. Some of you could be signing another contract here too when it comes to a job. Make sure you read all the fine printing here. Or a big purchase here. This is you. The Hierophant and the Queen of Cups here. Eight of Swords. Something all in their head about a marriage here. Possibly a Taurus. Let's see. I think that's the person I just read for. Okay. That's you. Your relationship is fine. Just give it time. But let's see. For others of you, what's this Chariot and Two of Cups? Queen of Wands. Might be dealing with a fire sign. A Leo. Be aware this might be someone that you work with here. Somebody wants to work with you here. This person is just very much my way or the highway here. Let's see. I don't know. Some of you might move forward with the fire sign. Leo. I feel like it's strongly a Leo here. Give me more. Knight of Swords, communication coming in here. I feel like this investment is something that could take off very fast here. Somebody wants to invest fast. Set boundaries with this person here. This person's kind of aggressive, I feel. They're going to bring in a whole lot of change in your life, I feel. But if you're ready for it, get ready. If not, yeah. This is somebody who, like, yeah, they want to invest fast. That's fast energy. Yeah, the Nine of Cups. This is somebody who wants that way, like I said. They want you. That person, she's something else. Or he, whoever. Okay, that's what I got. You got somebody who's feisty right there. I think I'm talking to, it could be talking to a woman, but I feel like that's mostly for a male. A masculine energy anyway. You got you a feisty woman. She's willing to fight for you, and be careful. Alright, that's what I have, Cancer. Take care. Bye.